Welcome back to Car Garage and Auto Insight, your ultimate destination for all things automotive. Today, we have something truly special. The legendary Chevrolet Nova is back for 2025, and it's bolder, faster, and more thrilling than ever. Buckle up as we dive into all the details of this modern muscle machine. The Chevy Nova has always been an icon of American muscle, known for its power, performance, and aggressive styling. After decades of absence, Chevrolet has revived the Nova for 2025, blending its heritage with cutting-edge technology and design. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The 2025 Chevrolet Nova brings a futuristic yet aggressive design. At the front, we get a bold, wide grille with Chevrolet's signature LED headlights, giving it a menacing look. The muscular fenders, sculpted hood, and aerodynamic lines scream performance, while the 20-inch alloy wheels add to its road presence. And the rear? A sleek LED taillight bar and a dual exhaust setup make sure everyone knows this is a true muscle car. Now, let's talk about what really matters: the power. Under the hood, the 2025 Nova offers multiple engine options: a 2.7L turbocharged 4-cylinder producing 310 horsepower, a 3.6L V6 with 400 horsepower, and for true enthusiasts, a monstrous 6.2L V8 pushing out a staggering 650 horsepower. Paired with a 10-speed automatic or a 6-speed manual transmission, the Nova delivers a raw and exhilarating driving experience. Step inside, and you'll find a perfect blend of modern technology and classic muscle car vibes. The 2025 Nova features a fully digital 12-inch driver's display, a massive 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium Bose sound system. The seats? Leather-trimmed, ventilated, and designed for maximum comfort, because speed should always come with luxury. Safety is a priority in the 2025 Nova. It comes packed with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and even a 360-degree camera for precision parking. Chevrolet has ensured that this beast is not just powerful but also smart and safe. So, how much will the 2025 Chevrolet Nova cost? The base model starts at around $35,000, while the high-performance V8 variant goes up to $60,000. This puts it in direct competition with the Ford Mustang GT, Dodge Challenger, and Chevrolet Camaro, making it a strong contender in the modern muscle car market. The 2025 Chevrolet Nova is a dream comeback, blending muscle car heritage with modern tech, power, and aggressive styling. Whether you're a die-hard Chevy fan or just love performance cars, the Nova is definitely worth a look. But what do you think? Is the Nova a worthy rival to the Mustang and Camaro? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Garage and Auto Insight for more exciting car reveals and reviews. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next video.